welcome back, everyone. Good to have you along with us. Trust you had a great weekend. We had a little rain last night with a front coming through. Behind that front comes in very dry air. We had gusty winds as well. So we had critical fire danger across much of the area this afternoon. Skies are clear now. This is a live look from the Bob Mills Furniture Sky Live weather camera. It's been a beautiful day, turning into a beautiful evening and much cooler, primarily because of the dry air that settled in. Take a look at this. This time last night, we were 18 to 20 degrees warmer than we are tonight. So that gives you an idea of the cold air that settled in across the Lone Star State Forest. It did warm up fairly well today. We saw readings getting back up into the 60s. 60 today in Copper's Cove at Dick Bonheim's house. In Robinson, that's the Waco area, Randy Vassar reporting a high of 64 at his house. And in Lampasas, Joe Spivey reporting 64 degrees as well. Radar shows us great shape right now. Satellite imagery does indicate a little bit of cloud cover down along the coastal plain and back across deep South Texas, but there's not any precipitation showing up anywhere across the state. 41 now in Bosque County and Meridian. It's 46 in Mejia, 43 in Marlin, 43 in Temple, already down to 38 degrees in Waco under a clear sky. Light breezes across the area. Dew point at 24, so that points towards a pretty chilly start to the day tomorrow. We anticipate lows tonight right around freezing. We'll go 31 for an overnight low, with a wind chill of 28. Clear skies cold tonight with winds out of the northwest around 5 to 10 miles an hour, taking a little more of a northerly fetch tomorrow, working their way around to the northeast by probably tomorrow afternoon and to the southeast by tomorrow night. So warming trend is going to start kicking in for us in the days to come. We'll make it to 62 degrees tomorrow afternoon with a light north wind around 5 to 10 miles an hour. Talking about the dry conditions for us. This is the water vapor channel, satellite imagery. There's the storm that brought that front through yesterday. It's pushing on through the Great Lakes into New England now, and very dry air settled in behind this system. So we talk about the threat of burn getting out of control for us. We saw half a dozen fires in central Texas and about a dozen or so in the Dallas-Fort Worth area from just a spark, setting off dry vegetation and being picked up by the winds and quite gusty winds, helping spread these fires. Made it hard for firefighters to fight it. Ridge of high pressure will dominate our weather for a couple of days, but our next rainmaker doesn't come into the forecast until it's probably close to the weekend. There's your Channel 6 7-day forecast where your weekend is always in view. We will be looking at least enhanced fire danger in the days to come until we get some more rain across the area. So please, we already have burn bans in effect across much of the area. So please be extremely cautious with anything that might get a fire going. We don't see rain in the outlook for us until possibly on Thursday. A couple of rather chilly mornings, down to 31 tomorrow morning and likely low 30s Wednesday and Thursday as well. A little warmer with moisture coming into the forecast, and then a big cool down about this time next week as well.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks, Andy.